Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami snail that can stand. For this we need 2 sheets of origami paper, some tape and a pair of scissors. If you like our video, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. We're going to start with the shell. And for this we need a quarter of an origami paper. So we're going to fold it in half and then cut. And then fold it in half again. And cut. We turn the model right side up and fold it in half diagonally. Crease, then fold, and then we fold it along the other diagonal, but we only need to crease a little bit so that we know where the middle is, where the center is. And then we bring this corner, the bottom corner, to the center, unfold, and then bring the top corner to this crease we've just created, and fold. Now we're going to bring this corner to the crease we've just created, and then the left corner. And the shell is done. Now we continue with the body. We start with the origami paper right side up and we fold it in half horizontally. Crease, unfold, and then fold the bottom edge to the center. And then the top edge to the center. And fold. Now we're going to fold this corner to the center. And then the top corner to the center. And now we're going to fold these corners inside. It looks like this. We have a flap. And do the same for the bottom corner. Now we bring these flaps to the left. And fold this corner to the middle here. And then bring them back to the right. Next, we're going to bring this corner to the center. And do the same for the top corner. Next, we're going to fold these 2 corners to the center. And then bring this corner to the middle line. and then the top corner to the middle line. Now fold the model in half, and here we'll make the eyes. Fold it like this, and now we insert the body into the shell and make sure this white line comes to the corner, to this corner, not like this or like this, but here. And then fold this white part inside, and we're going to use some tape. And I like to use some tape here too. That's it. I hope you found our video interesting, and if you did, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. See you next time!